Hi there, pronunciation and word lovers, and here we are again with Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. And if you are sesquipedalian, a lover of using your long words, this is a perfect niche for you. As I promised you in the last lesson, in this video I'm going to proceed with further polysyllabic or multisyllabic words. In the last lesson we dealt with one of the longest words in English, which is floxinosinihiliplification, and in this video I'm going to proceed with 3 other so long words. So here they are. The first word is samidemi-semiquaver, samidemi-semiquaver. The second word is hamidemi-semiquaver, hamidemi-semiquaver, and the last word is radioimmunoassay, radioimmunoassay. Let's start with the first 2 words, which contain 18 letters, samidemi-semiquaver. And by the way, it is the same word, hamidemi-semiquaver, but the first term is typically British and the second term is typically American. And the meaning of this word is exactly the 64th musical note. It's a musical notation, number 64. That's the meaning of samidemi-semiquaver or hamidemi-semiquaver. As you see, the stressed syllable is showcased by the line samidemi-semiquaver, semiquaver. The same thing in the second word, hamidemi-semiquaver, semiquaver. I repeat them, samidemi-semiquaver, hamidemi-semiquaver. And the last word is radioimmunoassay, radioimmunoassay. Assay is the stressed syllable. And the meaning of the last word is a test procedure that measures the quality of protein or hormone in a given body. It is a medicinal term. Okay, radioimmunoassay, radioimmunoassay, samidemi-semiquaver, hamidemi-semiquaver, radioimmunoassay. Thank you very much and goodbye.